CMTA has been a true partner, and I highly recommend them. We're a suburban acute care hospital serving our county and surrounding region. We've been in existence for 99 years. Next year will be our 100th year anniversary. Well, our connection with CMTA actually goes back almost 15 years now to our former hospital location. We engaged CMTA to help us with a number of engineering projects on the old facility, and then we reached the point where we needed to reinvest in a new campus. So we partnered with CMTA on the design for a full replacement hospital. There's a core group that needs to come together in any project where you're building something new or re-engineering it or improving it and modifying it. And you learn very quickly in my role that the engineering and performance of the facility makes a huge difference over the life of the building and in terms of cost and performance. We build buildings that need to last 30, 50, even 100 years, but also high reliability. In the new hospital, for example, the average hospital in the Midwest runs at about 266 EUI. In contrast, our new facility opened at a staggering 125. By hitting our energy goals, we're able to positively contribute to the bottom line of the hospital. We're seeing anywhere from $150,000 to $200,000 in utility cost savings drop to the bottom line every year. And that's a big deal when you think about a 30 to 50 year life cycle on a building. Beyond performance, you have to remember that a healthcare facility runs 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. We never stop, so we need high reliability as well as high performance, and CMTA has helped us achieve both those goals. By many metrics, we're very proud of our performance here. It's amazing to me the time I spend with the CMTA engineers. The amount of talent they have in their organization is unmatched in my experience. They listen, and then they turn around and show you performance. In my career, I worked with a lot of engineering firms, and I can tell you there's none finer than CMTA.